What's up, guys? Today we're cracking the code on the art of B-roll. But first, alright guys, I really hope that you're ready to learn the most important part of filmmaking. It's B-roll. So in any given video, you have your story, which consists of its main shots, but then you have these cutaway shots that are B-roll. So what is the B-roll? Cinematic shots that are used to help convey your story. They can be details of something you're trying to describe. Typically, it's shot very cinematically in order to really let your audience know exactly what visuals you want them to see. So if I were to tell you that I had eggs and toast for breakfast this morning, and you might think, well, did he go out for breakfast this morning? Did he just go to a drive-thru? Did he grab something real quick? Or did he make it at his house? You never know, because I didn't give you any reference to the setting or any kind of interesting details. But if I showed you this B-roll segment, you'd know exactly what happened. So, how did I do it? How did I make that B-roll segment? Take a look. All right, so right now we have a bunch of like very static shots. Everything is very still. It's on a tripod. There hasn't been really any movement, but we're gonna put some actual movement in there, and we're gonna do it with a towel slider because it's the easiest thing to do. And we'll pull the slider and we'll get that shot. It might only be used for like a brief second, but it's worth it. All right, simple as that. So right now what I'm doing is framing up a nice shot where I'm gonna go ahead and crack those eggs into the pan. Cover our eggs up and let those steam for a second. The biggest thing about B-roll is that you have to get detail shots. Like those are super, super important. So like me pulling that plate out of the cabinet, I want another shot of me putting the plate down on the counter, and then a shot of me opening up the lid to reveal the eggs. Those details are super, super important. It helps tell your story and helps like really keep your audience engaged. And the more shots you have, the better. So the last shot that you guys will see in this whole sequence is actually the plating sequence. After I have my toast done and drop it on the plate with the eggs. And we cooked our new eggs. We have those on a plate now. And the reason that I did that is because whenever we go and we plate and I go ahead and cut into the yolk, I want it to spill out. We overcooked those other eggs, but it was kind of necessary to get all of the shots that we wanted to get. All right, guys, there it was, the art of B-roll. So if you are gonna go out and you're gonna shoot this weekend, shoot heavy on the B-roll. Get yourself a lot of different shots, a lot of different options to use inside of your videos. But honestly, the most important part of it is just have some fun. Like really take a few minutes to sit there and think about what you're doing and jot down some notes or think about all the details that you have to shoot. If you guys aren't subscribers to this channel yet, go ahead and crush that subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. And come back every single Monday, Wednesday for brand new videos, and Friday at 5 p.m. for our live happy hour where we crack a drink and we talk some shop. All right, I'll see you guys later. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you later.